guys, this is Arpita and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel once again. So, जैसा मैं हर बार कहती हूँ, you guys must have already read by the title. What am I gonna do in today's video? So I'm gonna show you मेरा छोटू सा earrings का earrings का collection today. So yes, मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा earrings तो नहीं हैं, but जितने भी हैं, I'm gonna show them to you today. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So just a disclaimer, I don't wear earrings. I'm not a earrings person. I am not a jewelry person, I would say rather. But then मेरी मम्मा को बहुत शौक है मेरे लिए ये सारी चीज़ें लेने का, और फिर वो शौक थोड़ा डेवलप मेरे में भी हो गया है. So I have a छोटा सा collection earrings का. तो let's get started. So the first earrings that I'm gonna show you are, अरे दूसरा नहीं मिल रहा है, कहाँ गया भाई? हाँ. So the first earrings I'm gonna show you are these ones. So हाँ, हमने सबसे महंगे वाले से शुरुआत की है. So these are the most costliest earrings जो मैंने आज तक लिए हैं. These are from Trends का jewelry वाला section, and after discount these were for $1,000. मैंने जिस आउटफिट के साथ पहनने के लिए ये लिए थे वो मैंने पहने भी नहीं. So मुझे नहीं लगता, I really think कि these are overrated. Though this is a very pretty piece, but then these are overrated. So yes, this is from Trends. So the next pair that I'm gonna show you is this one. This is again a ethnic piece, and I guess I bought these from Udaipur. So in Udaipur we went to a handicraft का market, in fact a shop. उनके पास हर चीज़ थी. They had everything, quilt से लेके earrings से लेके necklace, neck piece, everything. So मैंने वहाँ से बहुत सारे earrings लिए थे. So these are one of them, and I guess these were for $250. So yes, these are pretty. Then the next pair is this one. This is a more, and then ये stones लगे हुए हैं शायद ऊपर, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं पता. Then this is a झुमकी नीचे से. So this is also a very pretty piece, and I bought these from Udaipur, and it was approximately same price का. So yes, $200 to $250. Then the next pair is this one. So just to tell you guys, मेरे पास बहुत सारे oxidized earrings हैं, but as I told, मैं पहनती नहीं हूँ. So this is from Sarojini. I'm pretty sure this is from Sarojini, and these were for $50. This is again a jhumki, and this is a really pretty piece. So the next one is again a oxidized pair. ये ना एक टाइम पे बहुत common थे दिल्ली में. So मैंने भी लिए थे, but शायद पहने कभी नहीं. और ये तो अब वो oxidized वाले कलर से black होते जा रहे हैं. So yes, these were again for $50, and these were from Janpat or Sarojini, I guess Janpat. So yes. So the next pair is this one. This is my most favorite earring. मेरा मन करता है, although this is red, but मुझे जब भी earrings पहनने होते हैं ना किसी भी कलर के outfit के साथ, मुझे वैसे ऐसे लगता है कि यार ये आउटफिट रेड क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि आई लव दीज इयररिंग्स. ये मैंने अल्मोड़ा की लोकल मार्केट से लिए थे, एंड दीज आर फॉर $350. बट दिस इज अ वेरी प्रिटी एंड एलिगेंट पीस. सो यस. देन द नेक्स्ट पेयर इज दिस वन. दिस इज अगेन अ झुमकी. आई एम रियलाइजिंग मेरे पास बहुत सारी झुमकीज हैं. So yes, this is again a jhumki and a oxidized one. So this is again a very pretty piece. ये भी I guess I bought these from Janpat only, and these were for $50 again. So the next pair is again a oxidized one. It is this one. ये भी मैंने जनपत या फिर सरोजनी से ही लिए होंगे. I don't remember clearly, but these must be of 50 or max to max $70. So yes, this is a more ऊपर से dancing more, and then a jhumki नीचे से. So yes. Then the next piece is this one. दिस इज अ ऑक्सीडाइज्ड गोल्डन वाला ऑक्सीडाइज्ड होता है ना, दिस इज दैट गोल्डन वाला ऑक्सीडाइज्ड विथ रोज गोल्ड स्टोन्स. सो ये भी मैंने अपने किसी आउटफिट के साथ लिए थे जो शायद मतलब आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कि मैंने पहने हुए. So yes, these were also from Almora ki local market and these were again for 100 or 150 bucks. So yes. Then the next piece is this one. Sorry. This one. This is पता नहीं मुझे ये तब क्यों सुंदर लगे थे. I'm not liking these very much अब, और ये मैंने शायद पहने भी नहीं है. So yes, I bought these from Bareilly, I guess. Yes. So जहाँ तक मुझे याद है these were for 100 or 150 bucks only. So yes. So the next pair is this one. ये भी ना एक टाइम पे दिल्ली में बहुत कॉमन हुआ करते थे. So I bought these from Lajpat, I guess. Yes. So these were for 250 bucks, I guess. हाँ 250 के होंगे. So yes, these were from Lajpat. Then the next pair is this one. This is a very pretty piece. मतलब मुझे ऐसे earrings पसंद हैं. This is a ethnic piece, but yes, I like these earrings. ये ना मैंने I guess मेहंदी के outfit के लिए थे. हाँ yes. It was my mama papa's 25th anniversary and we had a मेहंदी का function. तो मैंने उस outfit के साथ ये लिए थे from Almora की local market only. So yes, this is also very pretty piece. This was for 200 rupees, I guess. This was for 200 rupees. Then the next pair is this one. I don't know कि मैंने ये क्यों लिए थे पर मेरे पास है. So yes. Then the next pair is this one. I hope you can see this. Okay, let me take it out. So it's this one, and these were sent to me by an Instagram page that is Shades of Happiness by Neha. Yes. तो ये बहुत प्रिटी पीस है. I have not wore it अभी तक, but then मैं पहनूंगी. This is a pretty piece. Yes. So yes, the next pair is this one, and this was also sent to me by Neha only, that Instagram page Shades of Happiness by Neha. So yes, this is also a pretty piece. You can pair it with any western dress also. Yes. So the next pair is this one. This is a very pretty earring, and I bought this again from Udaipur, that handicraft wala market. This is very pretty. I don't exactly know कि मैंने कितने के लिए थे, so I'm sorry. So the next piece is this one. So this was again sent to me by Shades of Happiness by Neha. उन्होंने मुझे 4 pieces भेजे थे, if I clearly remember. So yes, ये मैंने अभी तक पहने नहीं हैं. And these were for 150 bucks. मतलब उन्होंने वो जितने भी भेजे थे वो सब almost एक ही रेंज के थे. So yes, these are hoops, flower या star वाले शेप में. So yes, this is pretty. So the next pair is this one. This was again sent to me by Shades of Happiness by Neha. I'll mention the page in the description. आप देख सकते हो. You can check out her page. She has some amazing collection. So yes, this is again a I've not worn this abhi tak, but then I don't know kya hua. So yes, this is again a very pretty bali, or I guess a ethnic hoop. So yes. Then the last one is this one, and this is very pretty. I guess this used to be my favorite, but ये मैंने पहने नहीं है. This is again an oxidized piece, and I bought these from Janpat only, I guess. This is a little heavy wala material, but then this is very pretty. These were for 100 or 150 bucks. I don't clearly remember, but yes, this was from Janpat. I clearly remember this was from Janpat. So that was pretty much it for the video. I guess मेरे पास और ईयरिंग्स थे बट वो मुझे मिले नहीं क्योंकि मैं पहनती हूँ तो आई एम नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड देन. So yes, that was it for the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my collection, my chotu sa collection. So yes, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.